Earning money online has never been easier than in 2024, especially with the TikTok Creativity Programme. Participation is only available in the USA, UK, France, Germany, Brazil, Japan, and Korea. To get started, create an account and add a profile picture. A tip: use AI, such as Midjourney, to create your profile picture. Be mindful not to get monetized for re-uploading podcast clips from streamers. TikTok prefers new creations over copies, and unique videos are favored by the algorithm. Choose your niche. If you have no idea, I recommend selecting a topic already present in the community and where content creation is straightforward. In this video, we're using the story niche, specifically the holiday story. Now, let's delve into the first AI tech. Go to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt: generate a funny holiday story from the perspective of the person who experienced the event. It should be perfect for a 2-minute narration. The story should be based on real events. Begin the story with a short hook that portrays the most unusual part of the story. Copy the result and switch to 11 Labs, the most realistic text-to-voice AI in my opinion. Go to the voice library, choose a voice, in this case, Calvin's, and save it. Proceed to speech synthesis, select the voice, add your story, and generate the audio file. Download it. Search on YouTube for no copyright background gameplay. Pay attention to high resolution, as TikTok values this. Also, search for suitable music under no copyright background music. Download gameplay and music using an online MP4 downloader of your choice. Go to CapCut, the best free video editing software. Choose a new video in TikTok's 9:16 format, upload audio, gameplay, and music. Adjust video length, music volume, and everything else. Separate the audio track from gameplay and music, delete the gameplay audio, and the music video from the background music. Add a fitting video filter, go to auto caption, and edit your subtitles. Export the video, name it, and your video is ready. Here's a little secret tip. Upload your video without subtitles to Opus Clip and let the AI automatically add them. You'll receive an analysis of how your video could rank.
Don't forget to hit the like button. If you require assistance, feel free to ask in the comments. Share this with your friends, and if you enjoy this content, consider following. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon on KI Profit Guide.